Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show that how to see your restricted account list on Instagram, which is very simple and easy to do. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app, and then just simply come to the menu and tap on the three lines on the top right and go to settings and privacy option. And then here just simply scroll a little bit until you get the option of restricted. Just simply tap on that option and click on continue, and then here it will show all of your restricted accounts. So that's the list of your restricted accounts. So if you want to unrestrict someone, just simply tap on unrestrict, and if you want to restrict someone, just simply tap on the search, and then here search for the person to whom you want to restrict, and just simply tap on restrict. So like in this way you can restrict or unrestrict someone on Instagram, and you can see your restricted account list. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.